Cases, nouns. Cases show the relationship of noun with other words in a sentence. Enge case kan ti chuan sentence noun le mal dang te in lei chin na tilang tu hi case kan ti chu ani. Pronoun a po hian case au ve thawa ma se pronoun kan zir huna ashanin kan zir don ani. Na chuan noun case chau kan zir ri ang. Hindi a hian cases pariat lai a oma. English a hian panga a oma. Ma se modern English a hian pathum chau an om tir ta. Chen khat chuan pali anga la soi te po an om boka. Chuwangin he video wa hi chuan pali kan soi anga. Mero chu a pali na hi lisa kan da lawanga. Shia zau na ang tur chawin kan zir don ani. Heng nominative, accusative le genitive te hi Old English ina an soidan ania. Modern English a chuan subjective, objective le possessive case din kan soidon ani. Tuna ilo zir chiangang. When a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the subjective case. Noun chu thil ti tu atana man ani chuan chu noun chu subjective case ti ania. Subjective case shaturin verb ma a who emo what emo da in subjective case kan nei the. And tirnan Michael sings very well. Heta hian sing hi verb ania. Verb ma a who emo what emo kan da a. Question: who sings well? Who sings very well? Ti kan neya achan chu Michael ani. He achan na noun Michael hi subjective case ani. The sun is very hot. Heta hian is hi helping verb. Verb ani a. Is ma a hian who emo what emo kan da a. Question: what is very hot? Ti kan nei ta a achan na chu the sun ani. He achan na noun the sun hi subjective case ani. When a noun is used as the objective of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. Noun chu thil ti tuar tu atana man ani chuan chu noun chu objective case ti ani. Objective case returin verb dota what emo whom emo da in objective case kan shetei ani. And tirnan Mom cook vegetable today. Heta hian cook hi verb ania. Verb dota whom emo what emo kan da a. Question: what? Mom cook what? Ti question kan lau nei ta ni. Ani lau po in zona what did mom cook? Ti pon zona kan siam thaya amero chu a all samnan mom cook what? Tin kan soyanga achana chu vegetable ani. Noun vegetable hi objective case ani. The teacher praised John in the class. Heta hian praised hi verb ani a. Verb dota whom emo what emo kan da a. Question: the teacher praised whom? Question kan lau nei ta a achana chu John ani. Achana noun John hi objective case ani. When a noun shows possession, it is said to be in the possessive case. Noun chu thil nei lan tir tu atana man ani chuan possessive case ti ani. Possessive case nei turin noun na apostrophe s kan bela possessive case kan nei thei ani. And tirnan Lucy's purse is on the table. Heta hian Lucy noun a hian apostrophe s kan da a. Lucy's hi possessive case noun kan ti kha ani a. Adot si a purse hi Lucy purse ani ti soina ani. Vocative case. It is practically a nominative of address. Vocative case hi list da kan tel lo ma se she zaunan kan ti khania. Entirnan, come on boys. John, come here. Heta hian boys le John soilang lo hian come on emo. Come here ti chau point kan soi the. Ma se atifia tu atan noun kan tel hian kha noun na kha vocative case ani. Heta hian boys le John hi vocative case noun kan ti kha ani a abula koma kan da chin ani. Remember to find the subjective, put who or what before the verb. To find the objective, put whom or what after the verb. The forms of nouns remain the same in subjective, objective, and vocative case, but it changes in possessive case. Considering to subjective case sheturin verb maa who emo what emo question kanda a. Objective case sheturin verb data whom emo what emo question kanda buktrin. Subjective objective le vocative case tehi a noun form apangai na omrenga ma se possessive case a chuan noun in a form a thak chin ani. Ole khati zong khatu na tan chuan ni phot se grammar zir nuam vek ole